Guys, look! Ibang variety naman to guys. Parang, ang cute, ang liliit. Amazing. Ala, sarap. Ang sarap. Ala. Lasang duhat. No? Parang duhat. Meron pa dito guys. Ito ba yon? Look. Ito, tingnan natin. Tingnan naman natin to guys. Ito yung perfect na ano. Ay, ito yung parang ano, parang juice ng grapes. Yung talagang literal na juice, guys. So ito palang grapes farm, guys. So parang mix siya ng varieties, no kuya? Iba-ibang variety. Akala ko, yung isang tanim is iisa lang. So iba-ibang variety pala. Mix siya. So manyaman, so perfect. Wow, amazing. Manyaman.